Let's talk oil. You know that rule about changing your oil every 5,000 kilometers? Well, that's hardly ever true anymore. Here are two big reasons why. 1. Improved oil chemistry. Today's oils, especially synthetic, help protect engines better than ever. And 2. Oil life monitoring systems. Now, most new vehicles will tell you when you need an oil change. So what is the right interval? Every 5,000 kilometers? 7,500? 10,000? The fact is, it depends on the age of your vehicle. Older vehicles may require more frequent oil changes. The type of engine you have. Diesels typically need more frequent oil changes than gas engines. And your driving habits. Severe driving conditions involving dirt, dust, excessive idling, and frequent cold starts often require more oil changes. Lastly, if you don't drive much, you'll need to think time instead of kilometers, like every 6 months or so, depending on the age of your vehicle. Bottom line, you need to know what your owner's manual recommends. And you need to pay attention to your vehicle's oil monitoring system. It's smart, and probably more accurate than whatever that old school sticker on your windshield says. You won't come in for an oil change too late, or too early, which is good for your wallet and the environment. So the next time your vehicle needs an oil change, bring it to the Mopar service experts at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. Mopar. We built it. We know it.